All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna clean the window. Okay. Once we get that clean, we're going to fold our graphic in half, and just enough to kind of lightly crease it so that we will be able to line it up. So once we've creased it, I'm going to center it with the back of my windshield. I'm going to move it up where I want it. And then if you can zoom in here, if you see these lines on my car, what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it up with these lines, just like that. And once I've got it lined up where I want it, I'm going to put pressure down on the graphic. I'm going to put my arm over here on this side, and then I'm going to start from this corner. I'm going to peel this up. And then I'm going to press down and then get that sealed right there. Then I'm going to slowly work through from the bottom and get this on. So as I am pulling back the paper, I am pressing down and sealing the graphic. Once I get one side done, I will be able to kind of work my way through from the left to right, pulling back, repeating. Okay. And just kind of go over it one more time. You can go over it with the rag. And there you go.